It's always better when students create their own things, and I think this is a way to do it where it's both used, in the classroom and in the labs, but it's also something that's training students to think in a different way. My name is Dan Friedman. I'm Dean of the School of Science and Engineering at SUNY New Paltz. The Innovation Center is an array of 30 MakerBot Replicator 2s and 2Xs. This is the campus center for being able to 3D print. I think MakerBot really wanted to have a good place to showcase the first Innovation Center, and we had a meeting with the MakerBot leadership team in December, and then we had the opening in middle of February. So this all came together in about 3 months. As soon as the center started announcing open hours, people started coming. And not just sort of coming to look in, they were showing up with files that they wanted printing out. And that was just getting started. I think it's going to keep building. The reason that we did this is because we see this as a technology that is just starting. I mean, it's going to become increasingly important, and in a lot of different areas, if students come out of here knowing how to use 3D printing and different applications of it, it's the kind of thing that will give them a better chance of starting a career with that kind of knowledge.
When I was looking for graduate schools, I was interested in what technology they had available to the entire school, what was available within the program, and I knew that there was a strong 3D printing base here at SUNY New Paltz. I had an assignment in my undergrad that was to produce a light. The bulb for this light was initially printed in an inkjet printer, and it cost me about $75 to produce. The bulb that I printed here cost me under $1. With access to the lab, I can now have a new bulb in whatever color I'd like within 2 hours.
I think we can attract some really outstanding students who are undecided between science, engineering, and art, and be able to say to them, you can pursue your interests in both areas, and we're going to do things to make it easier for you to do that.
With training, it's not about teaching people, it's more about changing the way that people see the world. At MakerBot, we look at ways that we can make everything better, and in training, we hope to extend that look to others.
I'd like to see it used in every department on the campus. Our vision is that it's an important tool that will be used cross-disciplinary, not just in science and engineering and fine and performing arts, but there'll be applications in education, in the liberal arts and sciences department, social sciences and humanities. We really see this as something that's going to be useful across the campus.